Hello, my name is Summer Prince and I'm your Garfield County 4-H reporter. Have you ever thought, I wish I had a fun and easy craft to do? Well, I have just a thing, my cotton ball launcher. And this is what it is. For your supplies, you're going to need duct tape, some scissors, a 1-hole punch, a short pencil, 2 thin rubber bands, a cotton ball, and 2 toilet paper rolls. First, you're going to want to get your first toilet paper roll and cut it in half. Now that you have it cut in half, you're going to want to roll it tight. And now to make sure it's secure, you want to get your duct tape and tape it into place. Now you want to get your hole punch and put holes in it. Now make sure you do this far enough down to where your pencil won't go through it, or it won't go through the top. Now one on the other side. Now get your pencil and put it through. Now you want to get your other toilet paper roll and cut 2 slits on each side. Now get your rubber bands and put them through the slits. Now, duct tape these secure. After you have that done, you're going to want to put your pencil part on one side. Now hook your rubber bands to your pencil. And you have your launcher. Now put your cotton ball in and launch it. Thank you and have a great day.